Good morning, guys. Salam, namaste. Your lifestyle coach KUNAL Sharma here. Amazing information about pH of the body. First thing first, we have to understand what is pH. Potential of hydrogen. All right. So our body has acidic pH and alkaline pH and then neutral pH. Neutral pH is our blood. Acidic pH is the most acidic pH, I would say, stomach acid. That is around 2.5 and 3. Blood is 7, neutral. And from there up is alkaline. The most alkaline is calcium. Okay, 14, number 14. So it's a very amazing topic. How our body reacts to different kinds of food, chemicals, energies, all right, around us, all right, anything we drink, eat, and inhale, right? So let's get to the point. If we have to stay healthy, there has to be oxygen. That is the first very important thing. So oxygen is alkaline, right? It is not acidic. So if we are living in a toxic weather constantly, that means you are destroying yourself by inhaling. That is why I mentioned you before, surrounding. That means breathing, in which environment we are living constantly. If you are living in a forest, or if you are living in a village, if you are living in a small city, you will suffer less than metropolitan cities like in my country, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, all these, Delhi. So there is too much traffic, too many people, so too many chemicals, and above that, the most important part, if you are sleeping with closed windows, there is no fresh air, you are damaging more. Oxygen is a very powerful component in our body. It supplies life force to each part of our body. Oxygen carries a lot of nutrients, lot of things in our blood, and if we do not get enough oxygen, you can think about it, what will happen to our body. All right, so oxygen is the first thing, is alkaline. The second thing is acidic food. Now we are coming, stomach acid. If our stomach is not acidic enough, now you see, I'm just trying to give you the comparison what is happening inside and outside of the body, all right, and how is it affecting us. If we don't have enough stomach acid, which is the right thing on a right place, acidic stuff is not bad if it's on the right place. So stomach acid should be around 2.5 and 3. Very acidic. It can dissolve a razor blade. But then why our stomach is intact in our body, that we have to understand. If our stomach acid's configuration, the acidity configuration of our stomach acid increase 3.2, 3.5, 3.6, 4, what will happen? First thing first, you will not be able to digest heavy meals which are containing high protein content, fats, even carbs. All right. So in turn, you will suffer indigestion, acidity, gas, bloating. So one thing is connecting to the other thing. Why we disturb our stomach acidity? By our lifestyle. With age, okay, too much exercise, okay, if you do too much exercise, like a marathon races, like a long hours in a gym, you can turn your stomach acidity and including your digestion, the whole gut process where the whole nutrition absorbs. All right, so stomach acids should be in the stomach, not somewhere else. That's how we create acidity. So this is a extreme pH I told you between the two things, oxygen and stomach acid. Where it's supposed to be and what are the benefits. Now, just in case, if our blood pH is 7, neutral, if it will go a little bit towards acidic or towards alkaline, do you know what will happen? We can go into the coma, we can get a stroke, we can get a heart attack. That's how the major things are happening in our body every day. So what will happen to the body? What the body will do? The body will tear apart of anything to stay in the center, because the most important pH is our blood pH. That means that is the priority of the body, to stay in the center, to stay in the neutral. How far we can stay in the neutral condition, that's where our winning starts. Because our lifestyle, why are we getting sick? Think about it. Why we are getting too many heart attacks, why we are getting too many strokes, metabolic conditions, autoimmune conditions. So many things are happening constantly. Why? Because of our pH. The pH decides where to go. All right. Why we are getting kidney stones, gallbladder stones, digestion issues, obesity, overweight? So body is constantly staying in the center, but because of our lifestyle, our sleeping pattern, our eating pattern, everything is changed with the course of time. That's how the body is suffering. Water, H2O, alkaline. All right, it is not neutral, it is not acidic until or unless you put in a lime and apple cider vinegar in it. Okay, so water is a very, very small but very, very important component, or you can say element, 5 elements, one of the element which is controlling our life on this planet. But think about it, are we taking enough water from morning to evening? And if you're exercising about that and strenuous exercising, are we taking it? So what will happen if you will not get enough amount of water to our system, into our system? The first thing first, you will not be able to digest. For digestion, you need a lot of water. Second thing, our blood will become thicker. So what will happen? Clottings. So you have heard so many times people are sitting in the flight, they get, lower extremities, blood clotting. And that clot travels to the heart or maybe the central nervous system, creates a heart attack and a stroke. How amazing the science is. So because of little less water, what we are taking in, we can create a havoc in our life. 1% less water in our body can, I'm telling you, dangerously affect on our performance, athletic performance, especially high class sports people. Cramping. You can get a lot of cramping. That is one of the symptoms of less water in the body. So water is the next point, which is alkaline, not acidic. Now we are talking about acidic again. If we are adding lime or apple cider vinegar, what will happen? It will become acidic, but acidic in the stomach. But when it will absorb in the cellular system, molecular system, okay, in a very smallest form, that's where it will become alkaline. It is acidic in the stomach, but when into the cells, it will become alkaline. That is the beauty of science, beauty of God, beauty of nature, how the things change on different places. So lime, when you're eating non-veg, you can put a little bit sprinkle of lime juice or something. It will help you to dissolve, to dissolve the high class protein in your stomach. That is the reason. Or you can have a glass, just a half glass of lime juice or apple cider vinegar or sea salt or Celtic salt before eating half an hour of your meal. So you can create great health. All right. Apart from that, if you're too acidic, if you're too acidic means you are creating a dangerous situation in the body, means the symptoms will be you can say weakness, okay, uh, high pulse rate, okay, high blood pressure. What is blood pressure? Constriction, vasoconstriction of your veins. That means there is acidity in your body. That is why you are in high blood pressure condition. All right. Sigh. These are the symptoms of acidic body. Now, alkaline. If you are in too alkaline, you can create, as I mentioned before, of this topic when I started it, gallbladder stones, kidney stones, joints problem. Joints problem can be because of acidity also. It depends on body to body because our genetics are different. Everybody is different. Autoimmune condition where the joints, gets inflamed. That is one of the symptom of acidic reaction of different foods. Okay, so we are talking. This topic is a little bit longer, so I want to cover up as fast as possible. Different foods can create different kind of effect. For example, coffee is acidic, lime juice is acidic, apple cider vinegar is acidic, green leafy vegetables, different colors of fruits is alkaline. All right, refined carbs, processed foods is acidic. All right, so organic meats, you can say organic vegetables, organic meats, uh, organic grains even, they are not. For example, quinoa is not acidic, it's alkaline. Buckwheat, all these foods are alkaline, all these foods are acidic. So these foods, okay, creates a lot of transformation in our body and in our brain, including our thinking, they affect. So this topic was exactly about the pH of every food, everything, what you're eating, what you're drinking. I tried my best to explain you कि think what before you eating and drinking. Alcohol, smoking is dangerous, is acidic. It can create a definitely very bad effect on your brain and on your body, means your heart, your kidneys, your liver, right? High sugary food is acidic. Organic sugars like you can say uh, organic honey, jaggery, okay, even stevia is not acidic in reaction, is alkaline effect. So you have to decide how to live your life, guys. So if you have any question, you can call me. All right, you know my number and you know my email, my website, everything is available. And stay healthy, stay fit, and have a great day. Keep smiling. Love you all. Bye.